The following outline is provided as an overview of and topical guide to construction. Construction, process of building or assembling infrastructure. A complex activity. Large-scale construction involves extensive multitasking. Normally, a job is managed by a project manager and supervised by a construction manager, design engineer, construction engineer or project architect. Essence of construction. Building. Planning permission. House. Non-building structures including infrastructure. Types of construction. Building construction. Home construction. High-rise construction. Industrial construction. Factories. Refineries, etc. Heavy road construction. History of construction. History of construction. History of architecture. History of the civil engineering profession. History of the science of civil engineering. History of structural engineering. Vernacular architecture. General construction concepts. Architecture. Architectural engineering. Blueprint. Building code. Building material. Civil engineering. Construction and demolition waste. Construction bidding. Construction engineering. Construction loan. Construction management. Construction site safety. Construction worker. Deconstruction, building. Design bid build. Design build. Fire safety. Occupancy. Occupational safety. Prefabricated buildings. Project management. Real estate, the product of most construction. Tools. Zoning. Components of a building. Appliances. Escalator. Electrical wiring. Elevator. Fireplace. Chimney. Floor. Flooring. Foundation. Light fixtures. Plumbing. Plumbing fixtures. Roof. Stairs. Walls. Doors. Wall coverings. Windows. HVAC. Design elements of a building. Walls. Entryway. Rooms. Bathroom. Bedroom. Dining room. Garage. Kitchen. Living room. Utility room. Heavy construction projects. Bridge. Highway. Equals heavy equipment. Equals. Engineering vehicle. Bulldozer. Excavator. Materials and equipment. List of building materials. Category construction equipment. Category tools. Category cleaning tools. Category cutting tools. Category lifting equipment. Category metalworking tools. Category power tools. Category stone-masonry tools. Category woodworking tools. Category adhesive tape. Temporary equipment. Drop cloth. Formwork. Masking tape. Scaffolding. Ram board. See also. Mega project. List of construction trades. External links. Construction at Curly. Associated General Contractors of America. National Association of Home Builders.